Hi, this is SLKJDFV from the Unity community, and this is another progress update video for Advanced Inventory System version 3.1. Let's get started. You'll notice there's some changes here to the scene. I re-imported my crafting table and my chest that I made. Also, there's this new empty bottle model I made. And you'll see when I get close to it and highlight it with my mouse, it shows a little message in the middle of the screen. And you can push E to pick it up. E is the action key, and I'll explain more about keys in a minute. And you'll see that it's here. Another thing I changed is you have to have the mouse button held down in order to pick up items. So this allows for the double-clicking feature I added in for items. I also fixed the glitch with bags, so now you can have two bags of the same type, and they will both open up their own window, and you can even place bags inside of bags, and they still work. And they will all be given a unique ID, so you won't have any duplicate IDs, which is very nice. One example of the double clicking is if I double click this potion bottle, it removes the item. So, also I added in rotation of items. I'm not sure if I displayed that in the last video. So, that's going to be very useful for you guys. The other thing I added in is I actually got the search feature for item types working. I also added a new option in the build settings for items, which is attach rigid body, which I added in for this item right here. It will attach rigid body to the root object and assign it the weight that you type in here. As for empty bottle, I assigned it a weight of 2, but you can make it whatever you want. Don't know why I clicked that. So, the other thing that I updated is the system settings window. It's a lot easier to see. I also see and use. I also removed the preview window that was down here and applied it to this window here. So now you just apply your settings and click this button, and it shows an auxiliary window with the settings. It also displays how many cells you have horizontally and vertically. The other thing I added in is keys. Now, instead of the system just having a default key, 2 keys, one for action, one for opening the inventory, it's now a nice list that you can add to. So if you're making an RPG and you want a key to open up the equipment, you just come in here, click add, name this, and assign it a key. And then inside your script, you would reference this key by referencing the game controller script and using the get key method, and just type in the name of the key. And I will explain that in a tutorial when the system is released under the documentation. This is also reorganized and a bit easier to use. Not much has changed with items. I also fixed a glitch with the crafting table. So, the glitch I fixed with the crafting table is the fact that when you would build objects and then rebuild them, they would lose their link to the output object, and you'd get a null reference when you ran the game, and it wouldn't show the editor window, the window for the crafting table. That has been fixed and is no longer an issue. That's actually pretty much all I've really done with the system so far, other than the dragging and dropping items, and the double clicking feature. You can also customize that. Everything in this system will be customizable. You'll be able to make your own custom inventory scripts if you want. Just referencing the script from base inventory and things like that. So that's pretty much going to cover it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're looking forward to its release. Bye-bye.